E-HEELP is a hydraulic jack for a car. So if you got a scissors jack and you're there all day, this would do it by a battery, 12 volts for a socket directly off the battery, a power bank, etc., etc. We're going to go out, lift up a car, and show you how this unit works. For further detailed information, please look at online for the information provided. So let's show you a nice close-up look what you get inside. We're going to demonstrate how to use this machine by lifting up on the actual unit. We're going to leave it about a ½ inch. And we're going to adjust the machine. Lift up. As we lift, we get the height we need. We shut off and we can work on our tire. As you can see, it's spinning. If I need to switch the light, I switch the light on so I can see what's underneath and all. If I need to lower down, I simply hit the down button. The machine will constantly go down and will not shut off. And you'll want to now adjust your arm down. Shut the machine off entirely. An instruction guide. Some paperwork telling you how to hook up via the battery as well as using the machine. A pair of gloves that would fit a multiple size hands. The socket to alligator clip for breaking a window of an emergency and so forth. The hydraulic pump and a long enough cable to reach all around the cord. This is the 12 volt area that you're going to plug in your power. On the opposite side is going to be in case you need to blow up a tire, a raft, etc. A 3-in-1 tool. On the back of the unit, you're going to have an up, a down, a light switch, and so forth. You need to lift the car up to put jack stands under. This is what it's good for. But this is not what you're going to want to use to keep the car up constantly. It is not safe. You need jack stands without using those emergency scissor jacks. I hope this product may be something that you are looking for that may be right for you.